Standard 7th, Subject English Grammar, Topic Articles, Part 2. Good morning and welcome back to the second video of Grammar. We have already started Articles chapter, so let us begin with the second part of Articles. So in the previous video, I have taught you what are articles and I explained you there are three types of articles in English language. And then I also explained you that there are two kinds of articles. First is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. So the first part I explained you about indefinite articles a and an. Today we are going to study about definite article the. So before explaining the uses of definite article the, I want to just give you a quick revision about the meaning of indefinite article a and an. So as I already explained, indefinite article means when you talk about the person or thing, but that person is not specific or particular, at that time we will use indefinite article a and an. And what is the meaning of definite article? Definite article the is used when you talk about a person or a thing in specific or to a particular person. So let us begin with the uses of definite article the. So the first use it is mentioned over here is to refer to a person or thing when it is particular or specific. So as I already explained you just now that when you talk about a particular person or a thing, at that time we are going to use article the in front of that specific person or thing. So here example is given, I have lost the hat. So I am talking about a specific hat which I have lost. So I have used article the in front of the noun hat over here. Now move forward to the next use of the definite article. Second use is to refer to a person or thing that is well known to us. So when we are going to use definite article the second situation given over here is when we talk about a person or thing who is well known to us, or the person or thing is known by most of the people. Here example is given, let's go to the park. So we are talking about a specific park which is known by most of the people. The second example is given, the doctor will come soon. So I am talking about a specific doctor who is also known by the listener. So the person to whom this example or the statement is said, that listener also knows about the specific doctor. So we have used article the in front of this example. The next use of definite article the is given over here is to refer to something or someone already mentioned before. So to explain you this, let us first see the example given over here. A thief entered our house. The thief was caught. So as you see this example, so first sentence before the thief, it is used a, and the second sentence before the word thief, article the is used. So why this difference? Both the sentence it is having the same word thief, but the article used in both the words it is different. So I'll explain you the difference over here. In the first sentence we are not specific or we don't know about the thief. So here it is mentioned, a thief entered our house. So it is not clear which specific thief. And in the second sentence, as I already mentioned the thief in the previous one, so the next sentence again I am going to talk about that specific thief. So when in the second sentence I am using the word thief again, I will use the definite article the. So in the second sentence I'll use the thief was caught. Understood. So here the thief has been spoken about before in this context related to the robbery which has happened in the house already in the mentioned in the first sentence. So because of that, when I am using the word thief in the second sentence, I can use article the to specify that thief again. Next it is when a singular noun represents the whole class, we use article the. So when a particular noun represents the whole thing, here the example is given, the lion is the king of the jungle. So we are talking about the lion which represents, or which we can say it is representing the whole class of the lions in the jungle. So as a whole, we are talking that the lion is known as the king of the jungle. So it is this what one particular lion, it is representing the whole pride of the lion. But however, when we refer the same thing as mankind, we do not apply this rule. So when we use any mankind word at that time, we will not be using article the in front of mankind. So here example is given, man is responsible for harming the environment. So here again, man is used to represent the whole human being. But the above rule applies that article the is not used before the mankind. So that's why we have not used the man. Instead, we have not used the definite article the before mankind. We just started the example with man is responsible for harming the environment. The next use is article the is used with superlatives. I I think you all must be aware of superlatives, comparison of adjectives. There are three comparisons done: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So when there is no comparison, we will be using positive. When there is comparison between two things or two person, we will use comparative degree. And when comparison between more than two person or thing it is been taking place, we will be using superlative degrees. So here it is mentioned that when comparison with the superlative degrees it is been mentioned, we will be using article the before the superlative degree. So here you can see the sweetest song. So when you compare it with the adjective form, the positive degree is sweet, the comparative degree is sweeter, and the superlative degree is sweetest. So as the word sweetest, it is the superlative degree, we have used article the in front of the superlative degree given over here. The second example it is given, the most intelligent student. So the positive degree of intelligent it is when there is no comparison, intelligent. Comparative degree it becomes more intelligent, and the superlative degree is most intelligent. So as the word given over here it is most intelligent, which is given in the superlative degree, we have used article the in front of it. Next use is article the is used before the ordinal numbers. I think so you all may be aware of cardinal and ordinal numbers. So once again let us just give a short explanation of cardinal and ordinal number. Cardinal number means the numbers which you write like 1, 2, 3, 4, and ordinal number means first, second, third, fourth. So this is known as cardinal and ordinal number. So when you are using ordinal number, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, when ordinal number is used, at that time you are supposed to place definite article the before the ordinal number. Now see the example given over here. The second girl in the first row is my sister. So as you can see, the word second, it is an ordinal number. So as it is an ordinal number, we have used article the before the ordinal number. Next it is, we will use article the before the name of nationalities and communities. So just keep in mind, we will use it before nationalities and communities, but not before the names of languages. So this you have to keep in mind. Before the name of nationalities and communities we can use, but not before the languages. So see the first example, the Japanese are hardworking people. So here the Japanese word, it represents the nationalities of the people. So the people who belongs from Japan, they are known as Japanese. So here it is the nationality of that particular people. So we have used article the before Japanese. But see the second example, Spanish is a difficult language. So here the word Spanish, it is the language of that particular country, Spain. So here as it is a language mentioned, we are not using article the in front of it. So once again keep in mind, we can use article the before the name of nationalities and communities, but not before the names of languages. Next is before the unique object, we use definite article the. So when we talk about the unique objects like sun, moon, sky, we use definite article the. So normally when you use it in a statement, though they are not a proper noun, they are common noun, but as it is one of their kind, we will use definite article the in front of these type of words. So example given over here, it is the sun, the moon, the sky, the star, etc. So next is write the with the names of, first one it is given rivers. So for example, when we are talking about particular rivers, the Ganga, the Narmada, so we are talking about particular river, so we will use article the. Second is before the names of seas and ocean. So again it is particular sea and ocean, so we will use the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. When we talk about mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps. Next, it is given holy books. So when we talk about specific book, any book, specific book, we will use definite article the in front of them. So here the example is given, the Bible, the Mahabharata. Next it is before the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes. So example given it is the Taj Express, that is the specific train's name. Next it is the Titanic, that is a specific ship name. Third one is the Indian Airlines, so that is a particular airline's name. Next, when we are talking about any particular newspaper, at that time we will use article the in front of it. Example is the Indian Express, the Times of India. This you must have seen when the newspaper comes at your home. You can see the name specifically given, the Indian Express or the Times of India. Next, it is well-known buildings. So if we are talking about any well-known buildings, we use article the in front of it. The Taj, the Gateway of India. Next, it is countries if the name contains a common noun in it. So we will use article the with the name of the countries if that country's name is having a common noun in it. So here the example is given, the United States of America. So here see the states. If you take individually the word states, it is a common noun. So as the country's name is having a common noun in it, we will use article the. In the same manner, the second example of this it is given, the United Kingdom. So the United Kingdom, in that the word kingdom individually it is a common noun. So as a common noun is there in the state's name, we can use definite article before that. So the same thing, it doesn't apply with our country's name. For example, our country's name is India, so there is no common noun mentioned in it. So we cannot use the India. We can use before as a nationality. If it is Indian, we can use the Indian. The India we cannot use because there is no common noun mentioned in it. Next it is with the direction. So when we talk about specific direction, we are supposed to use article the in front of it. Example, the north, the south, the east, the west, etc. Next, when we talk about whole families together, the Bhatias, the Mehtas, the Patras, etc. So we are talking as a whole class. So we can use article the in front of it, but not in front of proper noun. This you keep in mind. So we have finished with the uses of articles, where all you can use the articles. Now the next thing we are going to learn in this chapter, it is related where all you are not supposed to use articles. So first we are going to study that where all you are not supposed to use indefinite articles a and an. So let us see, the first point given is before uncountable nouns. So this I already mentioned while teaching the first part. If the noun is in its uncountable form, before that we are not supposed to use a or an. We will use a or an before the countable singular noun. So when uncountable nouns are given, you are not supposed to use a or an before that. So here the example is given, a handful of rice. So rice, it is an uncountable noun. You cannot count rice. So we cannot say that I have eaten one grain of rice or two grain of rice. We can say a bowl of rice or a handful of rice. So it is uncountable. So as it is uncountable, we cannot use a rice. We will use this without the article before the word rice. Second is before names of meals. So when we talk about meals, lunch starts at 1 p.m. We cannot use a lunch start. So it is not a particular one lunch. I am having breakfast. It is not a particular one breakfast. So I am having a breakfast. It is incorrect. But specifically when we are giving any particular meal to a person, specifically for example your birthday party, so this meal, this lunch is organized in the honor of any particular person. At that time we can use articles a or a in before that particularly specified breakfast or meal's name. We are not supposed to use before the names of seasons article a or an. So here a winter, a summer, we cannot mention it. It will be winter, summer. Next, it is before the names of parts of the body. We cannot say a heart or a stomach. So we can use it when we talk about a particular person's part of a body. For example, the boy was hurt on the head. So here I'm talking about a boy, particular or specific boy, and that boy, he was hurt on his specific space, that is the head. So at that time I can use the, otherwise individually you are not supposed to use a heart or a stomach in that manner. Is that clear? So we have seen that where all we are not supposed to use indefinite article a or an. So 5 6 points we have already seen. Now we are going to learn where all we are not supposed to use definite article the. So the first point, it is before proper noun. So we are not supposed to use article the before the proper noun. Example given is Rajesh is my friend. So as Rajesh is a proper noun, we are not supposed to use article the before the proper noun Rajesh. So if we mention the Rajesh, it will become incorrect. Next, it is before abstract nouns. So I think so you all are aware of what are abstract nouns. So before the abstract nouns, we are not supposed to use article the. So here example is given, beauty is admired by all. So here the word beauty, it is an abstract noun. So as it is an abstract noun, before that we are not supposed to use article the. Next, it is before nouns such as gold, silver, water, wood, etc. So as it is most of these words, as you can see, these all are uncountable material nouns. So before that you are not supposed to use article the. So when you are using it in example, it is like gold is a precious metal. So you can't say the gold is a precious metal. So we are talking as gold as a whole. So gold is a precious metal. So we can't use the gold. So this point I've already explained you in the previous slide, that you are not supposed to use the before the name of languages. So here example, it is given English and French. We cannot use the English or the French. So before the languages we are not supposed to use article the. Example given over here is, I would like to learn French. You are not supposed to say like this, I would like to learn the French. It is not proper, it is incorrect. We are supposed to say, I would like to learn French. The French, it is incorrect. Next, before the names of any sport. So when you are talking about any particular sports, whether it is cricket, tennis, football, whatever sports name it is, when you are using it in a sentence form, you are not supposed to use article the before the sports name. Example is, I play tennis. So you are not supposed to write it down like this, I play the tennis. It is incorrect. It will be, I play tennis. So before the name of sports, you are not using article the. Next, it is before the names of the cities. So when you talk about any cities, or when you write it down about any particular cities or specific cities, you are not supposed to use article the in front of it. So example is, I live in Lucknow. So we are not supposed to use it, I live in the Lucknow. So the, when you place it before the city's name, your sentence will be incorrect. You are not supposed to use the in front of the city's name. I live in Lucknow. I hope you have understood the chapter articles now. So let us see the exercise given below. The first exercise given is filling the blanks with suitable articles a, and, or the wherever necessary. And if in any of the blank article is not needed, you have to put a cross mark in that blank. Is it clear? Write down these questions in your notebook with pen and answers with pencil. So the next question is insert articles where necessary and rewrite the sentence. So one of the example how we are supposed to write your answer, it is given. See the example given over here. They were first to reach station. So as you can see, the word ordinal number first is given. So before ordinal you are supposed to use article the, and the second is the word station. So we are specific about the destination we are supposed to go, that is station. So you have to insert article the in these two places, and wherever you are supposed to insert, that you have to do it properly and rewrite those sentence again. So is it clear? So as given in the example, you are supposed to write it down in the same manner in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.